Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to run Node.js program in command prompt. So let's start. First of all, open your command prompt. So search for cmd and run it as administrator. Now once you open your command prompt, first of all verify that Node.js is already installed on your Windows computer. So to verify the Node.js installation, type a command node-v and press enter. And over here you can see the version of the Node.js. Means Node.js is already installed on my Windows computer. Now I have one sample folder. So I have created one sample folder called a node demo. Inside the folder I have one Node.js file called as testnode.js. So this is just one sample program which will provide an output like console log hello from Node.js program. Now I want to run this Node.js program. So to run this Node.js program, go to the path where you have saved the file. Now copy this path, open your command prompt and type a command cd and press Ctrl V. So we have already copied the path. So type a command called as cd and path of the file. Now press enter. Now you are on the path where we have our Node.js file. Now to run the Node.js file or to run the Node.js program, you need to write an command called as node space name of the file. So in my case, the name of the file is testnode.js. So you just need to type a simple command node space testnode.js and press enter. And over here you can see the output of the program hello from Node.js program. So in this way we can run Node.js program in command prompt. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.